Good morning, students of Standard 10. Students, as you know, the fourth chapter, carbon and its compounds, has been started, and so far we learned about the types of hydrocarbon, means alkane, alkene, and alkyne, and also some of the important organic reactions like substitution reaction, addition reaction, etc. Now, students, in the same chapter topic I am going to change, and topic already has been written on the board, you can see, and this is very important topic for carbon compounds, and topic is functional groups. Functional groups. Students, in carbon compounds there are two parts. For example, students, suppose one example I am writing here, C2H5OH. Students, if you carefully observe the given example, you will find here two parts, and that two parts I am going to separate before you see. Students, one part is of hydrocarbon, in which only carbon and hydrogens are, and in second part, this part is in addition to hydrocarbon part. So, students, in carbon compounds, in addition to hydrocarbon part, whatever part is present other than hydrocarbon part, that part is known as functional group part, and this part is very important part of carbon compounds, because on this part the chemical properties of that compound depends. So students, here you are looking, in addition to hydrocarbon part, another part is OH. Students, this OH part is the functional group part, and this part is very important in this compound, because chemical property of this compound depends on that OH part other than hydrocarbon part. So students, how can we define functional groups? Already one definition I have written, you can see, functional groups are part of carbon compounds on which chemical properties of the compounds depend. Students, functional groups are part of other than hydrocarbon part in carbon compounds on which chemical property of the compound depends, and this is very important because they determine the chemical behavior of that compound. Students, there are so many functional groups, but here at your level, at level of class 10, only few functional groups you have to memorize, you have to keep in your mind. In higher classes you will study about them in large. So students, here whatever functional groups you have to know in class 10 already I have discussed here. You can see students some important functional groups. What functional groups you have to keep in your mind? Number one, first functional group is OH. This is bond. Students, this is bond. Bond OH. And this functional group is known as alcoholic functional group. As you are looking here, students, in the example C2H5OH, C2H5 is hydrocarbon part and OH is the functional group. And this OH functional group is known as alcoholic functional group. So students, this OH functional group is known as alcoholic functional group. Second one, students, you can see CHO, and this functional group is known as aldehyde functional group. CHO. This is known as aldehyde functional group. Now third one, COOH. COOH. And student, this functional group is known as carboxylic acid functional group. Carboxylic acid functional group. And next, COOR dash. COOR dash. And this is known as ester functional group. Ester functional group. Student, ester is a sweet smelling carbon compounds. Naturally, esters are found in our fruits. You might have experienced different fruits have a different fragrance, and the fragrance of fruits are due to presence of certain ester. Okay, so esters are sweet smelling compounds naturally found in our fruits. Okay, so students, ester functional group COOR dash. Students, R dash, what is the meaning of here R dash? Students, this R dash has some alkyl group. For example, students, CH3, this is an alkyl group. Example, C2H5, this is alkyl group. Example, C3H7, this is alkyl group. Alkyl group is obtained when one hydrogen is removed from an alkane. For example, CH3 alkyl group you can obtain when one hydrogen from the simplest alkane methane you remove. So you will get CH3 group, and that CH3 group is read as methyl group. So students, at place of R dash here, there may be methyl group, maybe ethyl group, propyl group, butyl group, and so on. So students, you have to keep in your mind ester group, the structural formula or formula of ester group is COOR dash. COOR dash. Okay. Now let me say the next functional group, that is bond either F or Cl or Br or I, means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Students, these are elements, but here they are treated as functional groups. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, they are very important elements known as halogens, and if they are present along with carbon compounds, they are treated as functional group, and this functional group is known as halofunctional group. Halofunctional group. right? So in carbon compound, if F is present along with hydrocarbon, if Cl is present along with hydrocarbon part, if Br is present, then this should be understand as halo functional group. Halo, the word halo has come from halogens. Okay, so halo functional group. So you have to keep in your mind halo functional group. It means either F or Cl or Br or I are attached with hydrocarbon part in carbon compounds. And next one is ketone functional group. Students, ketone functional group, this is CO. ठीक है? And you are looking here, this CO should be in the middle and at the terminal position, both terminal positions, two similar or dissimilar alkyl groups may be present. Okay, right? For example, students, I am going to show you. For example, you can see CH3 CO C2H5. Students, you can see in this compound, this is the CO, this is the ketone functional group. Ketone functional group. And you are looking here, both sides of ketone functional group, two different alkyl groups are present. So we have to understand this is the ketone functional group and this compound belongs to keto group, right? So students, these are some functional group which you have to study in class 10, and I hope you will be benefited from this video. So you watch this video and understand about the functional groups and memorize them, because they are very important, and I will discuss about them in details in next steps. So you have to keep in your mind. Thank you very much. Goodbye.